Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com, and in this video we are going to do a little ride along to show you more about this new product from Golden Technologies called the Ally. Now the Ally is actually a folding power wheelchair that was originally made by this company called Booter, and Golden Technologies is the authorized distributor of this brand here in the US. It's been rebranded. It's called the Golden Ally, and it's got some really cool features, and we're going to show you some more about these features here in just a second. One thing that's really cool about this chair is support up to 330 pounds of weight. It has a battery range of around 9 miles per charge, and it has this really cool digital joystick. So I'm going to try to go over here into a shaded area so you can kind of see this display a little bit better. On the joystick, it's very intuitive. It has your battery gauge right here, and it has your speed in miles per hour. And then there's 5 speeds, so it has a speed control. And the way you adjust it is you can hit this down arrow or up arrow. Right now it's in the 5 speed, the top speed. Top speed on this chair is around 5 miles per hour. So you can get to the 4 speed, all the way down to 1. It makes some really cool noises too, which is really unique. Turn it off, you hold it down for 5 seconds, this power button. And then it kind of looks like eyes, like it's blinking at you. Turn it back on, hold it down for 5 seconds. And if you didn't want the 5 speeds and you wanted it more simplistic, you can press this, and this will put it into novice mode. One thing you'll notice too is like when you power this on, you'll have this lock on here. So if someone tried to take the chair, for example, they can't operate because this lock button is on. So right now we held this down for 5 seconds to power it on, but to get it out of this into the unlock mode, you just press it again, and now it's unlocked. So I'll put it into novice mode. So now it's only 2 speeds as opposed to 5. So if you want it more simplistic, you can do that.
Quit novice mode.
You can take it out of novice mode so you have the 5 speeds. The horn is really cool. It's like a car horn. I really like that. And then this is a unique feature too. It has this SOS button. So if you were stranded for some reason, you needed help, you can hold this down for 3 seconds.
Alert, 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 alert.
And you hold it down for 3 seconds to turn it off. So you might want to do that if you're stranded, you needed to talk to someone. It will just continuously say alert, which is kind of cool. It has this like faux leather material on here. It does have some storage underneath the seat. It says it can hold 5 kilograms, so it's probably closer to like 3 pounds, maybe a little more. Also, in addition to that storage, we have storage on the back here. So this is like a hard shell storage compartment. It's got a couple pockets and sleeves, so you can put some belongings in here too. So really a decent amount of storage for a power wheelchair. On the back, this is your battery. So to remove it, you'll see right here, it's in this lock position. So you can move it to the unlock position where it's vertical, like that. And it's the same thing on this side too. So now they're both in this unlock position. So I'm going to turn this off. So now I can flip both of these open like that, and it comes straight out. So you can charge it directly on here. And because it's airline approved, you have to remove the battery to bring it on with you. So this is what you would take on with you when you're flying. And then you would typically drive this right up to the gate, the airline, fold it up, and then they would check it right at the gate. So I'll put it back in here and put them back into this lock position. So now the battery is secured. You can also charge the battery right here on the joystick. There's a charging port right here. So you have 2 ways of charging. Really another cool feature is there's a headlight right here. So if I tap this, it'll turn this light on. There's really not a button, it's just like this area right here that you have to tap. And then underneath here, you have a USB charging port and a micro USB charging port, so you can charge your mobile devices or any electronic devices here. Really cool feature. There is a little lever right here that you press down or press back like that, and you can see it actually moves this one too. So you can press it on either side, and that will help with folding it down. So if I press this down like this, it actually folds back like that. So it's kind of unique in the way that it folds. It's different than a lot of other folding power wheelchairs on the market. And to unfold, so I'm going to press this bar down. That's how you unfold it. So chair performs pretty well on grass too. I'll take it in the grass right here. So it's handling this no problem. And really, just to give you kind of like a vantage point or a reference, I am 6'4". I can sit in this comfortably. My feet do stick out over the edge a little bit of the foot plate, but to me, it's not really that big of a deal. I think this feels comfortable. I would say if you're a little taller than this, it might not be as comfortable. So I would say like the average rider of around, you know, maybe 6 foot, 6 foot, that would work really well. The armrests do flip up, which makes it easier to get in and out. And then it also makes this reverse. It'll let you know it's going reverse.
Reversing.
So once I come to a stop and I do it again, so it just lets people know, like if you're around you and you're going reverse. I think that's a pretty cool feature. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or you can simply visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.